Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is ngx chart, ngx bar horizontal stacked chart. In this chart, if you want to show the data label here, you can use a property called show data label. I will show you how to add this. Here you can add this property show data label. This show data label property is a boolean. It will be either true or false. In the component, I'm defining that the show data label as true. Now you can see that the show data label. Now you can see that the chart is now showing data label. If you want to hide this, you can make it false or simply remove the property from the chart. Now I'm showing this. If you want to hide this x-axis labels, like here you can see that 0 and 5, 10. Okay, if you want to hide these labels, you can use the property called x-axis tick formatting. I'll show you how to add it. Simply you can add this property called x-axis tick formatting, making this double quote. This property should be written, should be get a function. Here the function name is axis format. I'm adding this in our code. Yeah, it's already added. Axis format. Suppose if you want to add a dollar sign as a prefix to the x-axis label, you can simply write this like x plus the value. The dollar is added before the before the number. You can customize with any of these things. If you want to simply remove this, you can simply put empty string. Another property is show grid line. Here you can see that there's a vertical line. If you want to hide this vertical line, you can see the vertical line here, here, and here. If you want to hide this vertical line, you can use a property called show grid lines. Uh, the show grid line property is a boolean. It will be either true or false. Now I put the value as false. In this chart, I don't want to add this vertical line, so I'm putting false. Another property is if you want resize the padding, here you can see the padding between the bar. If you wanna resize the padding, you can use a property called bar padding. The bar padding is a number in the controller file. I'm adding the bar padding. Sorry, the bar padding. I'm putting 3 as a bar padding. Here you can see the padding is 3. If you want to increase the padding, you can put a big number. I'm putting 10. Okay. Now here you can see that the population is overlaid. In this, if you want to hide the x-axis label, or in this chart you can see y-axis title and x-axis title. If you want to hide this, you can use uh, yeah. Here you can customize what should be the values. Sorry, what should be the titles. Here is a country. Is a population. If you want to hide that, you can change it according to you. Okay, thank you guys.